Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cornbread Southern style. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, and 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk. A touch of sugar, about 2 tablespoons, enhances the flavor without making it too sweet. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with your cast iron skillet inside. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, baking soda, and salt until well combined. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the large egg, then whisk in the buttermilk and sugar. Create a well in the center of your dry ingredients and pour in the wet mixture. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread, so stop as soon as the ingredients are incorporated. It's time to bake. Carefully remove the preheated cast iron skillet from the oven. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter or bacon grease to the hot skillet, swirling to coat the bottom and sides. Immediately pour your prepared batter into the hot skillet. The sizzle is a good sign. Place the skillet back into the 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown, and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Your delicious Southern cornbread is ready. Let it cool in the skillet for about 5 minutes before carefully inverting it onto a wire rack or cutting board. Slice it into generous wedges and serve warm. It's fantastic with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or as a perfect accompaniment to chili, greens, or any hearty meal. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some great leak-proof containers, along with other deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your homemade Southern comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.